choosing scenarios from equations and also inequalities. Now, this is not something new, it's just what you've been doing and backwards. So if you do like to do this color coding, there's that option. So in the previous two lessons, you have, different colors you can use. You can use whatever method to break it apart with your constant. Remember, your constant is your starting value, your rate, the amount happening more than once. Your variable is the unknown value. It doesn't matter what variable you use. Your symbols, don't forget about the inequalities, what they mean. I'm just going to make a note here. Remember, because I know some have been mixing this up, the one that goes like this is like a smushed L, so that's the less than direction. And some of you have your own method of remembering which one is the correct symbol. Okay, so like I said, these are going to be done backwards. Now you're given an equation. So math teacher asks students to write a real world problem for the equation 8x plus 24 equals 12x. Which problem best corresponds to the equation? So it is highly suggested, and you're not going to see 10 of these problems. You may see one, maybe possibly two, ever on a future test. Go through and write your own equation for each of the answer choices. Okay, so that's what has happened here. And I'm not going to read through all of them, but you can see which ones are not good and which one comes out to be the correct one. So go through each of them, read through it yourself, look at how the equation was written, and why is the answer C. Okay, so look for little things to pay attention to when you're working on it yourself. And then there's a second example. The second example is an inequality. So it's like, again, math teacher asked them to pick a real world problem. Here's the inequality. 225 plus 50x less than 180 plus 60x. So the inequalities, read through them really carefully. Okay, so you can see it's broken apart. Everything's labeled, and you can tell that which one is the correct answer. C also is the correct answer. So read through these. Nothing new. It's just backwards from what you've been doing. Okay, so go through each answer choice, write your equation or inequality, and choose which one matches the original setup.